we've got an exciting new kit to share with you today.
Now we are going to be making some growth videos, but this one isn't really for the growth channel.
No, this one looks pretty cool actually. So this one is the Rainbows and Light Lab from Groovy Labs.
Ooh.
So it cost us £4, so not very much money, and we got
Good
it
value.
from Bernardo's, which is a charity shop. So we also helped a charity when we bought this one. So that's good. So it's got 6 exciting experiments in it.
Ooh.
So should we get on and unbox it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do the honours, Miss Ellie?
Yes, please.
There you go then.
Thanks. So first we have a bag
Okay.
and the instructions.
Okay.
I guess everything's in the bag. Well, that wasn't very exciting, but I ended the video with this. Okay, so what do we have in this bag? I'm just gonna tip
it out.
Whee!
Ooh.
Ooh! Oh, there's still more in here. So first we have a test tube stand.
Oh yeah, that looks cool. Well, that's handy because the other one we had, we didn't have a test tube stand.
Do you want to just
that's
make
quite
that
useful.
whilst I'm unboxing?
Well, we'll do it after. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we've got a ball molder.
Nice.
We have what type of beads?
I think they might be ultraviolet beads.
Yeah, ultraviolet beads. 3 colours of dye. We got blue, yellow, and red.
Okay.
And then we got 3 test tubes. We
Okay.
got
I was trying to make everything neat so that the people can see
we
it.
got a bag of magical powder. Oh,
Is that what it says? Magical powder.
No, it says crystal powder. I'm
Crystal
just being
powder.
fun.
Okay.
Now we got some rainbow string. I'm just gonna dump it on you. Now we got some mirror, and we got some gold confetti. Oh no, confetti.
Some gold confetti, a mirror, some string, and some gold confetti.
Gold confetti.
Okay.
Cut.
So
Ridiculous.
that's everything we need to do 6 exciting experiments. So they are create a colour change bracelet, make a bouncing sun, make rainbow flowers, make a real rainbow. That's not 6, but that's what it says. So
Do you want to make this stand?
I'll make it in the break.
I mean,
So
break.
that's this one unboxed. So come and join us next time when we do our first experiment from the Rainbows and Light Lab. Bye for now.
Bye. Back. And what have we made?
So we may remember we said it during the break we would make this cool little test tube holder.
Yeah.
So I've done that. It was just like a box really.
Yeah. And it's
Which
really cute.
we've folded together. So just followed the folds on it. So
And this is
it's
only
got the
really.
Groovy Lab symbol on the front.
And this is only a really short sort of mini video in our series, in our playlist. But we are going to
So now I'm
try
gonna
and
test it.
tubes. So first I'll put one.
Oh, quite a snug fit.
You put one. Remember to squeeze it.
That's quite good actually.
Yeah. Now I'll put another one. And then just get the dye and pretend we're putting it in.
Well, I think so. I think that's pretty good because they don't fall out. And
Yeah.
in one of the kits that we didn't have a test tube holder, and that was a problem. So I actually think before we do anything else, this is a major win for this box. So anyway, that was our test tube holder, which I think is pretty cool. So we will use that in a later
Yes.
experiment. So, but for now, goodbye, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. And on the
Bye.
mad side too. Bye.